class, my group and I would like to present on our enzyme presentation. So these are our members: Aya, Steven, Jaron, Joshua, and last but not least. So next please. So before we start our actual presentation, you guys should have some prior knowledge about enzymes. First of all, and basically, enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up chemical digestion. Secondly, our body produces two types of enzymes, namely digestive enzymes and metabolic enzymes. Let me explain a little bit. Digestive enzymes aid to break down our food substances into smaller pieces for absorption, transportation, and utilization by every cell in our body. Metabolic enzymes are found in our cells and they help in functions related to its reproduction as well as replenishment. And last but not least, you should know that with aging, our digestion slows down, inhibiting our ability to process vital substances for use throughout our body. So right now, I'll be passing on to Joshua to explain. Jared.
So why does enzyme production decrease? One of the main factors is actually age. From birth, we are given a maximum limit on how much enzyme production potential that we have. And this will slowly steadily increase every year, but every 10 years they will experience a major drop in your enzyme production rate.
So please refer to the handout given to each group. So studies have proven that every 10 years, once body production of enzymes decreases by 50%.
Does everyone have a handout?
Each group will have.
Each group should have one handout. Yeah, okay, that's so do you have one handout?
Each group should have one handout. Once body production of enzymes will increase by 15%. So by the age of 40, once enzyme production could be 25% lower than it was when he was a child, and by the time one reaches 70, one could be producing 1/3 of the enzymes one needs.
In the studies done last year, between a 10-year-old boy, a 45-year-old grown man, and a 75-year-old elderly man, enzyme production in their stomachs each show that compared to the boy who has 100% enzymes in his stomach, the grown adult has 33% less pancreatic juice than the child, as compared to the child, versus against the elderly man who has 45% lesser pancreatic juices than the young boy at 10 years old.
If you refer to the handout given, in a study done with 100 elderly people aged from 81 to 90, 80% of them suffer from this disease called hypochlorhydria. The extent of this point is very simple. Hypochlorhydria means they are suffering from insufficient hydrochloric acid production. What happens then? With the reduction of hydrochloric acid production in the body, lesser pepsinogen can be activated into pepsin, causing the decrease in the amount of pepsin. As we have learned before in our studies, pepsin is the enzyme to break down the food we consume. And with lesser pepsin, now there will be lesser enzymes to break down the food we consume. And this shows a direct relationship between our age and the amount of enzymes we produce.
Therefore, as we age, our nutritional requirements increase, but at the same time, our body ability to produce enzymes decrease. Therefore, since enzymes are connected to every working organ in our body, the decrease in enzyme production are one of the first two effects of the aging process. Therefore, as we age, we become more susceptible to impaired digestive functions, increasing our vulnerability to malnutrition as well as diseases.
However, there is only one way that we can help to increase the enzyme levels in our body. That is by consuming raw and living food instead of cooked food. Eating food in its natural and unprocessed state is vital to the body, as it helps maintenance of good health, and a lack of it in the modern diet is directly responsible for much degenerative diseases. If food are eaten uncooked, fewer of the body's digestive enzymes are required to perform the digestive function. Therefore, the body thereby adapts to the the plentiful external supply by secreting fewer of its own enzymes and preserving these enzymes to assist in vital cellular metabolic functions.
So cooking of food, particularly if the heat is prolonged and over 48 degrees Celsius, it will destroy the enzymes present in the food. This is how by middle age we become metabolically depleted with enzymes. Hence we should consume more raw food rather than instead of cooked food.
So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your kind attention.
Alright, question.
Okay, you guys say that as we age, mass production of enzymes can increase steadily up to the maximum limit. Can I know around which age is that maximum limit?
There is no definite limit where which age will reach this size. Every year you steadily grow and grow and grow the potential. But once you reach a limit, you will not grow anymore. Until every major 10 years, then you will drop. Then you will drop again.
So what's the limit? Yeah, so what's the limit?
Because everyone is different. So this is like a case by case basis. Because everyone has a different maximum limit of enzymes that they can produce.
You can't really define the exact amount which you varies between sex and gender and who you are.
But a rough gauge will be around middle age, like around 40 to 50 years of age. That will be a rough gauge, but it's still done on personal level. Everybody is different.
What's the reason for the major drop every day?
Okay, firstly is age itself, because as I said, as you grow older, your body will not function as well. And also, one more factor is actually associated with age. It's actually the amount of the food that we eat. Because, as you know, right, the food that we eat now is all cooked food. So, cooked food kills most of the enzymes in the food. And these enzymes are what we essentially need. So, as we age, right, our body continues to producing enzymes that could have been used, that have been found in our food itself. So as we age, our body starts releasing enzymes, which exerts pressure on our organs, causing us to have increased production.
But actually, like, how do we like increase within this and then drop? Okay, because there's times you know that food by itself contains 75% of the enzymes themselves to digest the whole food. Our body just produces the amount of the enzymes only. So it's not much, the limit isn't much, so every year it just increase by a bit. But because of how our body is programmed, it starts to have a major drop every 10 years, which drops our limit and our production rate to even lower. So therefore, like the limit is here, then you will drop to lower. The production itself, you will drop also to even lower.
Every food contains
like if let's say you are artificial food,
every raw food most. What are some of the examples of raw food? Wait, I don't know.
So for example, meat, fish and eggs.
So are you implying that for old people who cannot produce that much enzyme, they should eat more raw food?
Yeah. What raw food contains enzymes?
For most enzymes, the optimum pH is 7, around 7. But in our stomach, the pH is about 2. So,
Sorry, I think that
I mean, you say when you eat raw food, you can take in enzymes. But enzyme, when it reaches our stomach, it will denature. And it's not enzymes then. So, does it work?
That's a very good question. You see, from what we have read during our research, the food actually starts digesting itself already since when it starts to slowly digest itself when it is food. That's why food will start to rot sometimes. From what I've read, that's assuming that it's true. But if it's correct, right, when you put it in your mouth, it will cause the enzymes to work even more efficiently, and cause something to digest itself. Giving up
That's why our stomach has certain alkali, has a certain degree of alkali enzymes to try to neutralize it in the stomach, in the small intestine. Try to neutralize.
But when you first reach the stomach, it's really
but first actually your question is not related to ours. So we didn't really research on it. That's why because ours is about enzyme production.
Do you research on why our elderly should eat more raw food?
Sorry?
It's your topic. Do you know why elderly should eat more often? Do you research that?
Okay, that one wasn't really a focus of topic, but it was kind of related. So as your question is again, how do elderly, why not
Because since they are older, right, their immune system also drops. Then if their immune system drops, then if they eat raw food, they can't.
But that's why many of the elderly today consume lesser food than us people, because they can't digest the food as well because their enzymes are not functioning.
Also because of the hypohydrotic lack of hydrochloric acid.
Alright, any other questions?
What made you choose this topic?
That is a relation about what?
Because the story itself, right, it say that the story itself, the woman mentioned to the old man saying that your body produces less enzyme as you age. So this causes us to think, why does the production of enzymes in our body produces as we age?
Okay, thank you very much.